Você pensar, bobagem. Você é a bola.
And once you have this, open up the surroundings, what is this like? And said that, survey as reported, right? We identify our hazard. We understand our card. What if somebody has a technique?
Slide, slide in, slip, falls.
Nice.
Services. That's right.
Right? So our biggest exposure right now is things coming off the road level. And by things, it could be vehicles, it could be debris, it could be, right? So that is one of the major issues that we have today. Right? So one of the things that we need to be very careful about today, hearing and eyesight. Have to be very vigilant.
Besok anything asan kokal. Serabun. Be watching just in case any army could alert everybody on time. So take that into consideration.
One of the things. The rig or the tripod.
Right.
This is what is going to hold the weight to hammer the rods and what we call the split spoon to collect the sample. So right now they're going to try to anchor it into position. The center of the rig itself will be like essentially where the sample is going to be taken from.
Okay.
Right? So that's it for there. So what is happening here is they're going to properly thread the rope because it must be in a particular direction. So they're properly threading the rope onto it right now. Right, so they're going back up. Once the rope is on in the correct direction, they'll go back up and set the tripod into place.
Nice.
The nuts on everywhere, right?
Right?
The exhaust
So this area here, right, is like the exhaust.
Right.
So the problem we're having with this is dependent on how we work in it and wind direction. The exhaust from here goes into the operator's face.
Okay.
Right? So they will adjust away from the wind so it wouldn't get into his face. Right? Our quick solution to this is to fabricate elbow, right? So that the exhaust will go up this way.
Nice.
Instead, so we will print on something like that right now. Alright, so this is the catted, otherwise known as the winch, as I was saying earlier on. So this is the mechanical part of the entire system.
Right.
So right now what they're doing is attaching it to the stronger leg or the bigger leg of the tripod. Right? This this round part here, let me just point it out, this,
One wash.
that is known as the bobby.
One in front,
That is
one
where
behind.
the rope that is hanging from there is going to be
Make your
string
move a
bound,
little slow, if you want.
right? And that is what is going to be controlling for the hammer to go up and down so that we can get the blow, right?
Don't worry
For the
about
wheel
me.
to go down. So basically that's what this is. This type of machine is a gas machine. There's also a diesel machine, but we're using gas today.
Yes.
Right? So this is the assembly of it on the tripod.
Thanks, eh?
No, no, study that.
So this area here is what we're looking for. This is where the split is in the spoon. So this is where he will knock to open it into two. So he's just unbolting the top and the bottom. That's the bottom that would have gone into the earth first. Right?
So there's the tip of the spoon.
So yeah, basically the tip of the spoon.
It's a retainer. That's to hold the sample in place in the split spoon, just in case it's a sandy material or gravelly material. Yes. Because it's a lancet, stuff will be real loose. Real loose. You get much pick up already?
Oh.
Small one. It's basically top choice. You
So-
really going anywhere.
Here's all we get so far, first sample. And this would have been about what, 2 feet?
Yeah.
2 feet down.
Those 2 feet, because this is at actually 24 inches about. Yeah.
Right, so basically topsoil.
Yeah.
The reassembly of the spoon to go back.
Those are nice stuff.
Alright, so this is one of the borehole log sheets that we use. So these here represents the amount of feet we going down. This here is the amount of blow counts, sample numbers. So the first two, we didn't really get anything much, which was the topsoil. We went down to 4, this was the blow counts. And we add the last two numbers to get the total end value. Right, so that's how we take record. And then, well, Sammy, when he goes through the actual sample, will give a description of what type of material it was.
Okay.
So that's
I
it
see.
basically.
I seen it's push.
Push, yeah.
What?
This is where we didn't really get anything significant.
Okay.
Let's put it that way.
Alright.
Right? So they call it push.
Okay.
Oh, okay, like rubbish, baby?
Yeah. Either you know when you have bush fire and thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks something like so you're not feeling hard like that. It looks like burn something burn.
So this
Right up
this
first.
is sample out of 4 feet.
Yeah. At 4 feet you wouldn't get it. I don't.
This is sample 3, Kevin. So this is the different layers we got so far, and this is 7 feet.
That's 5 to 7.
You want it?
We started.
Yeah.
Put it in a bag,
So you get gravel. That's what I mean.
Huh?
You get gravel.
Yeah.
Some clean
So fine,
gravel.
you get fine gravel.
Alright.
Yeah. And the next one was a sand.
Sand.
Yeah. We have to get
So this is how much? 10? And I believe this is around 10, 12 feet.
Why yeah?
so I'll take some.
Water.
Then gravel and sand.
So what I mean, we reach or we in reach?
We are reach yet
We
because
ain't
we
reach
haven't reached the blow count yet. So when we reach our end value of probably about 50, you see? When you're hard, you do over 50. Yeah. So once you're over 50,
Yeah. Alright.
we ain't reached 50 yet. We know what's 22.
I think we got 30 already, no, so?
Don't mind we passing stone and all kind of things.
Yeah.
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 Right?
No, I ain't getting person.
No.
Just mark it down below, that's it.
Good.
21, 23, and 25.
Alright.
Okay, just for the same side. Just
I think
take
I can.
one.
Put in the next line, I do so.
It sounded empty.
What way guy got
More slush. Well, not this.
There's some sort.
There's some slushy sand.
Aye, I tell you, it's
Just
sounding
take that.
empty.
Take that. You don't take the rubber band.
Tell you, it's sounding empty.
Nah, that's still good.
You taking it off, so?
We could do a hydro.
Right, so we basically looked to make sure we didn't have anybody in the area, nothing in the area to damage it, and we allow it to fall with its own gravity down to the ground. And now we're closing it up. Once we close it up, tie the legs, send it back up on the truck. Right?
Wrap up. I do that too, right?